Hello guys, welcome to Abid Tech. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to earning money from freelancing involves leveraging your skills to provide services to clients. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Identify your skills. Assess what you're good at writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, etc. Choose a skill that has demand in the freelance market. 2. Build your portfolio. Showcase your work, for example, samples, past projects in a portfolio. Create a personal website or use platforms like Behance, GitHub, or Dribbble to display your skills. 3. Choose freelance platforms. Sign up on popular platforms like Upwork, great for long-term projects. Fiverr, ideal for gig-based work. Freelancer, for competitive bidding. Toptal, for high-paying expert-level clients. Use niche platforms for specialized skills, for example, 99 designs for designers. 4. Set competitive pricing. Research the market rate for your services. Start with slightly lower rates to build your profile, then increase as you gain experience. 5. Create a winning profile. Write a professional bio highlighting your expertise. Use a professional photo and list your skills clearly. Include testimonials or reviews from previous clients if possible. 6. Apply for jobs. Write personalized proposals tailored to the client's needs. Showcase how your skills will solve their problem. Focus on delivering value and stand out by addressing specifics in the job post. 7. Build strong client relationships. Communicate clearly and professionally. Deliver high-quality work on time. Offer revisions within reason to satisfy clients. 8. Diversify your income. Offer multiple services or packages. Upsell premium options to existing clients, for example, faster delivery, additional services. Explore retainer agreements for consistent income. 9. Market your services. Use social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter to promote your services. Network in online forums or communities related to your niche. Create content showcasing your expertise, for example, blogs, YouTube videos. 10. Scale your freelance business. Take on more clients or outsource smaller tasks. Specialize in a profitable niche for higher paying opportunities. Build long-term relationships for recurring projects. Tips for success. Stay consistent and patient. It takes time to establish yourself. Keep learning and upgrading your skills to remain competitive. Be professional, reliable, and adaptable to client needs.